Welcome to my next video tutorial of concrete structure analysis and design using Etabs9 program. In this particular video tutorial you will learn how to do structural analysis of your model. So before you go for a structural analysis you have to make sure something. The first one is go to your plan top and make sure you have this one story and do diaphragm. Using this diaphragm just select all this floor element this way and clicking here diaphragm, or going to here assign joint oblique point diaphragms, and this is D1 by default is created, so under D1 you have to do that. And if you want to add another one, you don't need to add another one, so by default D1 you can just use. Click OK, down, go to the next level, select this way, pick this one, OK, next level, select this way, OK, and individually you have to do for all the floor. So this is my last grade beam level, so done. So I have already done all the floor level diaphragm, and then go to here define, then click here mass source and check this third option from load, and here for mass source you have to define 20% or 25% live load for the earthquake load, and this is as per your code requirement. You might have a less or greater value, and in my case I have dead load 1, and from here select live load. This should be 0.2, which is 20%. You might have 30%, 25%, so you have to define as per your code. So add, and now click OK, and also go to define, then click here special seismic load effect and check this one, don't include special seismic design data, then press OK. And now before go to run analysis you have to check your model if there is any mistake or any error. To do that, go to here analyze, and from here check model, check all this option from here. Okay, and you can see model has been checked, no warning message, so there is no mistake or error. So if you get any mistake or any error, then you have to correct them before going to run the analysis. So after you have checked everything, then you have to go to analyze again and set analysis option. You can see here one is dynamic analysis. So if your building is irregular type, and as per your code requirement you have to check your building shape. If that is irregular type of building, then you have to turn on this dynamic analysis. But in my case this is a regular type of building, I don't need to run the dynamic analysis, so I will uncheck this option and press OK. And now you have to click here analyze again, and either you can type F5 or click here run analysis, and it will take some time to do the complete analysis. Now it is done, and after completion of the analysis you can see here a deformed shape of your building. So select this window, then go to here on an elevation and select this right side window and plan say roof, and click here this icon which is show undeformed shape, and here right now we are along this. So if I want to check the reaction of this column, I can do by going to here this icon show member force oblique diaphragm stress here and support oblique spring reaction, or going to display, then here this icon and support or spring reaction, and here you have to select your load combination which is for reaction. We already did, and this is reaction. Okay, now you can see here reaction, and if you just right click on any point and any support here, you can see here overview of here moment 1 2 3 and also force 1 2 3, close, or by going to just plan base. Okay, now you can see here also the value, and by right clicking on any one you can check from here and make sure you are in reaction, and going to elevation you can also check here the reaction and other moment from here. So this way you can take a reaction, and you can write down for the design of your foundation type or the foundation. And if you want to check the moment of shear force of any beam or column, then you can do by simply going to here this icon and click this next second one frame PR spindle forces, and from here you have to select combination. As we have defined only few combinations, that's why it is showing these few combinations. Say combination 1, and you have to check here which moment you want to check. This is M3, and say okay, this should be for M3 is for the beam, and select any beam, right click, and you can see here everything. So this is combination 1. The value is showing here, the maximum and also deflection here, and if you click here, this is called for values, and you can just scroll your here this way to take the value at any one place. So you can see here, this is deflection here, the moment is this one, and the unit is key-pins, so this should be key-pins, and this is shear force key. You go to here, I have 20 key shear force here. Okay, and if I change this to say this one, you can see the pattern is changing here. So from here you can pick up the maximum moment and shear force, and also check deflection of the beam here. And if you want to check for this column, you can also check, and you have to go to here, frame PR spindle, and this should be M2. Okay, and now you can see, right click on any column and you can see the value also from here. And right now we are checking the moment 2 for this column, and also you can display value here. So if I go to here, and if I fill and uncheck this one and check this one, so show value on diagram, it will show value here. From here also you can check, and right now you are in combination 1. By clicking this arrow, you can change to combination 2, 3, or all the combination available in your model. You can check this way. Okay, so actually we have not done any structural design yet, that's why it is not showing any auto combination of load. So in the next video tutorial I will show you how to do design and the auto combination of load, and then how to check the parameter again, and how to customize the size or the finalize the size of column and beam. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.